So in this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message for Facebook lead at lead using AiSensy. Let's say you own a real estate business and to get some new leads, you are running some ads on Facebook. Now you want that whenever a new lead is generated on your Facebook lead ads, you want to send a WhatsApp message to the same lead to start nurturing that lead and also want to get a WhatsApp message on your own number with the new lead details. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. And in this automation, as we are going to generate a new lead, as we are going to get a new lead on our Facebook lead ads account, automatically we are going to send a WhatsApp message using AiSensy to the same new lead. And also we are going to get a WhatsApp message on our number or our team member's number as well with the details of the new lead which we have generated just now. Now, if you want to learn how you can basically set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page which I have for my real estate business. And on this Facebook page, I'm running some ad and generating some new leads. Now I want that whenever I get a new lead on this Facebook page using Facebook lead ads, I want to send a WhatsApp message to the same lead as well instantly. Also, I want to get the details of that lead on my own WhatsApp number too. So for that, we are going to connect our Facebook lead ads account with AiSensy to send and receive the WhatsApp message. And to connect both of these platforms, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration tool. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just create your free Pabbly Connect account in 2 minutes. And after coming to this Pabbly Connect's dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create here, you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, you can see we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same lead details to AiSensy and we are going to instantly send a WhatsApp message to the same lead and get the details of the lead in the next step on our own WhatsApp as a message as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose app, we are going to search for Facebook lead ads. Just select it. After selecting Facebook lead ads in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new lead instant. After selecting a trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account, our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Now because we have already logged into a Facebook account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and ask us to permission. And as we click on this continue button, you will see our Facebook lead ads account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing which it is going to ask us is to select the Facebook page. So here you can see we have this field of page name and in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, the page on which I'm running some ads over here is named as Home Hub Real Estate. So here from the drop down, we have to search for the same page on which we are running the ads and from which page ad we want to capture the new leads inside Pabbly Connect. After selecting our Facebook page, it is going to ask us to select the lead gen form. So it is most likely possible that for a same Facebook page, you might have created multiple lead gen forms and all the forms will be listed over here in this drop down. Now, if you want to set up the automation to get the new leads from a specific form and send them the WhatsApp message, you can select that particular form over here. Or what you can do, you can select this option of all lead gen form. By selecting this, if you get a new lead from any lead gen form which you have created for your Facebook ads, or using this particular connection, the leads from all the lead gen form will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select all lead gen form over here. Now, after selecting the page and the lead gen form, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some new leads on our Facebook lead ads account. Now, if you are running some live ads, then you just have to wait for a new lead to capture. Or what you can do, you can generate a test lead. So on the Facebook developer platform, we have this tool named as Lead Ad Testing Tool. And using this tool, we can generate some test lead on our Facebook Lead Ads account. Now, if you want a dedicated video that how you can access this Lead Ad Testing tool and how using this tool you can generate some test lead, we already have a dedicated video live on the channel. You can just refer to that video and learn how you can access the lead ad testing tool and generate some test lead. But after coming to this tool, what we have to do, here in this dropdown, we have to select our Facebook page, and here in the form dropdown, you will get a list of all the forms which we have created. So select the form using which you want to generate a test lead, and then just click on this preview form button. After clicking on preview form, here it is asking us for the first name, last name, email, phone number and city. Basically the lead gen form which we have created. So here in first name field, we are going to enter our name over here. So the name of this test lead is demo. The last name is user. This is the email address. And after that, this is a dummy mobile number of this number. So whatever mobile number the lead is going to enter over here, on the same number, we are going to send the WhatsApp message. Then it is asking us for the city. So let's say I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal. Now, after entering the details of a test lead, of a dummy lead, let's click on continue and click on submit. And as we click on submit, here you can see using this lead ad testing tool, just now we have generated a test lead. Now, because we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same lead. We have the same first name, same last name, same email, same mobile number, and same city too. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect and captured the details of a new lead which we have received in Facebook lead ads in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send a WhatsApp message using AiSensy to the same lead instantly. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we are going to search for AiSensy. Select WhatsApp by AiSensy. After selecting AiSensy, an action event from the dropdown, select the action event as send template message. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our AiSensy account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our AiSensy account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your AiSensy account. From the left sidebar, go to manage and click on this API key option. And this is the API key of your AiSensy account. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect's connection window and paste it over here. And after pasting it, just click on save. And as we click on save, you can see our AiSensy account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the campaign name. Now, after making the connection, what we have to do, first we have to create a template message of the WhatsApp message which we want to send to our new leads on Facebook. And after creating the template, we have to basically create a campaign inside AiSensy with the same template message as well. And we have to enter the name of that campaign over here. Now you must be thinking how you can create this campaign and create the template. So let me show that to you. So let's start with our campaign. We'll just go to our AiSensy account. From the left sidebar under manage, first we'll go to this template message section. And here you can see by clicking on this add new button over here, you can start creating a new template message of your choice. So you just have to create a template of the WhatsApp message which you want to send to your new leads. I have already created a template over here. Let me show that to you. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to my new leads which I'm getting from Facebook. In this message, after hi, I want to mention the name of the person and I have the rest of the message over here. Now, if you want, you can mention the other details of the new lead which you are receiving from Facebook lead ads as well. But right now, I don't want to mention those details. And I have also created a second template which I'm going to receive. Using this template, I'm going to receive a WhatsApp message on my own number or on my team member's number with the details of the same lead which we have received on Facebook. So we are going to create two different campaigns. First campaign will be sending the WhatsApp message to our new leads, and the second campaign will be sending a WhatsApp message to our own number or our team member's number on WhatsApp using the details of the new lead which we have received from Facebook. So let's start creating our first campaign. To create a campaign over here what we have to do, we just have to go to this campaign section, and after coming to campaign section, click on launch, select the campaign type as API campaign, And then we have to give this campaign a name. So let's say I want to give this campaign a name as, for example, message to new lead. So this is the name of the campaign which I'm creating. Then after entering our campaign name, we have to select the template that using which particular template we want to send the WhatsApp message in this campaign. So I've created a template over here that is real estate lead. So I'm going to use this particular template which I have created. With this template, I want to send the WhatsApp message to my new leads. Now after selecting the template and giving this campaign a name, click on set live and the campaign is created. Click on go to campaign and here is this campaign over here. In this campaign, we will be sending the WhatsApp message with this template over here. Now after creating the template, what we have to do, we have to basically copy this campaign name from here and then we have to paste the exact same campaign name over here. So we have entered the same campaign name. After creating the campaign and entering the campaign name over here, it is asking us for the mobile number. That what is the mobile number on which we want to send the WhatsApp message. So here we have basically received the details of a new lead from Facebook lead ads in the trigger step. And in these details, we have asked for the mobile number. We have received the mobile number of the new lead as well. And on the same number, we want to send the WhatsApp message. So what we have to do here from the trigger step responses, we have to map this response of mobile number in this AiSensy action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of mobile number and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook lead ads of a new lead. Out of all of these responses, select the response of the mobile number of the lead and it will be mapped over here. In this way, whatever mobile number the lead is going to enter in our Facebook lead ad form, the same details will be received inside Pabbly Connect and on the same number, we are going to send the WhatsApp message using AiSensy in this automation. After mapping the mobile number, here it is asking us for the username. So we will be using the same process of mapping. We'll just click on this field. From the drop down, we are going to select the response of the first name of the lead and it will be mapped. Then after that, we'll just add a space and select and map the response of last name as well. Then it is asking us for the source over here. So let's say I want to enter the source as Facebook form. So I'm going to enter it. You can basically mention or enter any source as per your choice. Or if you want, you can just keep it blank too. Also to these contacts or to these messages, you can add a tag as well. Right now, I don't want to add any tag. So I'm just keeping this field of tag as blank. Then it is asking us for the template parameter. Now you must be thinking, what is this template parameter? So in the template message which we have created, we have added a parameter after hi. We have written 1 in double curly braces. So this is a dynamic parameter, which means the text in place of this parameter can be changed for each and every WhatsApp message which we send. So the rest of the template message will be same for all the users, but after hi, we wanted to mention the first name of the person, first name of the lead. And basically the name of the lead will be keep on changing for every lead, for every WhatsApp message which we send. So to add these kind of dynamic text in our template message, in our WhatsApp message, we add these parameters. And whatever text, whatever value you want to put in place of these parameters in our WhatsApp message, we have to enter those values. We have to enter those text in this template parameter field. Like right now in this template, I have added only one parameter over here. That's why I'm just going to enter the details of one parameter. But if you have created multiple parameters in your template message, by separating it with comma, you can enter the details of all the parameter. Like in this parameter, I want to mention the first name of the lead. So I'm just going to map the response of first name over here. If we have created multiple parameters, then we have added a comma. And in the same sequence, we have entered or mapped the details of the parameter too. After mapping the template parameter value, it is asking us for the attributes. So because we are not adding any kind of dynamic link, the link is permanent over here. We are not adding any kind of dynamic link or call to action button. That's why we can just keep this field of attribute at blank. But if you want, you can basically create some kind of template message with the dynamic buttons or dynamic links and enter the value of those links in this format in this JSON body in the attributes field. Also, here it is asking us for the URL and file name. So if you want to send any kind of file as attachment, an image, video, or PDF file as an attachment with the WhatsApp message, you can enter the URL of that file over here and the file name too. But for that, you have to select the template according to that. Right now, in this template, we are not sending any kind of attachments over here. That's why we can ignore these fields as blank. Now after this, what we have to do, we just have to click on this save and send test request. But before clicking on save and send test request, let me show you that here we have entered a dummy mobile number of a dummy lead. But let me enter the actual mobile number of my own account or my own WhatsApp number so that we can check whether we are receiving the WhatsApp message or not. Okay, so I have basically replaced the dummy leads or test mobile number with my actual WhatsApp number over here. Now let's click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the campaign which we have created, with that campaign, a WhatsApp message is been sent to the same number which we have entered. So let's check it. We will just go to the WhatsApp account of the same number, and yes, on the same number, you can see that we have received a WhatsApp message. And in this message, after hi, we have the first name of the lead. So we have created a parameter over here of first name. And on the same parameter, the first name of the lead is added. Also after this, you can see we have the rest of the template message, the same message which we have created, for which we have created the template in AiSensy. And we also have a call to action button over here. So the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed, where we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to a new leads using AiSensy. Now after this, let's move to the final step, where we want to get a WhatsApp notification on our own number, and we want to get the details of the new lead which we have received from Facebook. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and we are going to set up the same step of AiSensy but with a different campaign. So I'll just search for AiSensy over here. After that, in action event, we are going to select the same action event of send template message. Then just click on connect. And because we have connected our AiSensy account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on save. And as you click on save, here you can see our AiSensy account will get connected with Pabbly Connect one more time. Then it is asking us for the campaign name. So we have to create a different campaign now. This was the campaign using which we were sending the WhatsApp message to new leads, but now we are going to create a new campaign. This time the name of the campaign is, for example, new lead received. And after giving the campaign name, we have to basically search for the template as well. So the name of the template over here, which I have created to receive the details of a new lead, is named as new lead received. So this is the template message, and in this template message, we are going to basically mention the details of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. So after naming the campaign over here and selecting the template, click on set live, and let's go to campaign. So the campaign is now successfully created. And now we have to enter the name of this exact same campaign over here inside Pabbly Connect action step. So this is the name of the campaign over here, new lead received over here. This is the campaign name. After naming our campaign, here we have to enter our mobile number. So we have to enter the mobile number on which we want to get a WhatsApp message notification for the new Facebook lead. So I'm just going to enter the mobile number of my own. And after entering the mobile number, it is asking us for the username. So in username, I'm going to enter my own username over here. For example, dummy owner. So this is my username. Then it is asking us for the source over here. So the source is Facebook Forms. We are getting this message from Facebook Forms or Facebook Lead at Forms over here. You can basically enter any source as per your choice. I'm not going to add any tags, and in template parameters, you can see in this template message, we have created 4 parameters. And in these 4 parameters, in the first parameter, we wanted to mention the name of a new lead. In the second parameter, we wanted to mention the email address of the new lead, which we have received from Facebook lead ads. In the third parameter, we are going to mention the mobile number. And in the fourth parameter, we are going to map the city of the lead which they have entered. Basically, the same details of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. So in the same sequence, we have to basically enter or map the details over here. Click on this field of template parameter, and from the drop down from Facebook lead ad responses, we are going to select the response of first name and map it. Then add a space and map the response of last name. So this was our first parameter. Now after this, let's click add a comma over here, map the second field data, that is email address. So we have the second field of email and we have mapped it too. Then we'll add a comma. In the third field, we are going to map the response of mobile number, and then add a comma. In the fourth field, we are going to map the response of city. So in this way, we have basically entered or mapped all the details for all the template parameters separated by comma. Then we don't have to enter any attributes, URL or file name. So we can just ignore these fields for now and click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received a response, and this is also a positive response. This response shows that a WhatsApp message is now sent on the same number, on our own number, with the details of a new lead. So let's check it. Once again, I'll take you to my own WhatsApp account over here, and we'll just wait for a few seconds for this message to receive. And yes, here you can see that just now within seconds, we have received another WhatsApp message. And this is the message which we are going to receive on our own number with the details of a new lead. So we have the message as new lead received. Hello, we have received a new lead from Facebook lead ads. Here are the lead details. We have the name of the same lead which we have generated. We have the email address, phone number, and also the city over here. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to get a new lead in Facebook lead ads, instantly we are going to send a WhatsApp message to the same lead. And also we are going to get a WhatsApp notification on our own number with the new lead detail. Now, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. For that, I'll just go to the lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead. But before generating another test lead, first we have to delete the previous test lead which we have generated. Because using this lead ad testing tool, we can only create one test lead at a time. So first click on this delete lead button, and after clicking on delete lead, this previous test lead, the test lead which we had generated earlier, is deleted. Now we'll just refresh this page once and we are going to select the same page once again. So I'll just search for the same page over here, Home Hub. Let's select it. After selecting our Facebook page, let's select the lead gen form and click on preview form button. Now after entering the preview form button over here in this form, we are going to enter the details of another lead over here. This time the name of the person is test user. This is the email address. And this is the dummy mobile number which we are entering, on which we can send the WhatsApp message. The city is, for example, Mumbai. And after entering all the details of another test lead, let's click on continue and click on submit. And as we click on submit here, you can see that a new lead is generated. Another test lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads account. And as this lead is generated, we will see instantly within seconds, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same lead over here. So here we have the WhatsApp message which we have sent to that lead, that is hi test. We have the first name and rest of the template message. Also, we have received a notification on our own number as a message. And in this message, you can see all the details of a new lead are received. Here we have the same name of the same lead. We have the same email, same mobile number and same city. So for setting up this automation and testing purposes, we have entered the lead's mobile number as our own number. That's why we have received both the messages on our own account. But in case if you have entered or mapped your leads details, leads mobile number in the actions tab, they will be receiving this message. So we have tested this automation in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing. You will find a clone link of this exact same automation in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.